sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees, and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge.
Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Hobbies. So in this episode, we are going to uh, review this special watch. It's a rare watch from the Instagram site Watchabouts. So as you saw the unboxing, this is a very special looking watch, and it has this unique feature called the the compass. And how you access is not like this alone. You can access it like this. The watch opens up to this compass, and this is very special, and it has this bullhead crown, and the shape is what attracted me towards buying this watch. So this particular watch is called the Airtimer. TS Airtimer is what I understand, and this is a micro brand which makes accessories for pilots and stewardesses. So this particular watch is super rare. I couldn't find much. I couldn't find really anything online regarding this. So I ended up even using Google Lens to look up this watch, and I came across one Squale watch which looks and functions very similar. But and other than that, only on an Etsy site I saw this watch, and this is basically NOS. It's new old stock, and this is the original strap that comes with this model. It's a 20 quite thick strap. But yeah, let's see, maybe in the future I'm going to change the strap. I'll tell you why. So yeah, overall this has a date functionality, and the crown is like a bullhead crown, and the main function is this compass. Okay, so to check the dimensions of this watch, since I'm traveling, I don't have my caliper with me, so I'll be using my daughter's Hello Kitty scale. All right, so just to see an idea, this circle is around 35 but with these, these kind of things, it's 45 but it's like it could fit small wrist, because the lug to lug is close to 42 or so, and it's not a very huge watch or anything, but it has this unique look to it, and it's quite thick as well. So this thickness is another factor that has attracted me. I cannot measure that exactly, but just to give an idea, it's around 15 thick. So that's pretty much regarding the watch. Now let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks. All right, so this is how the watch looks, and I should say it looks pretty neat, and it fits my wrist well as well. Quite good looking, I should say, and I like the thickness as well, and the shape is also quite unique. This is one of the reasons why I went for this. This is a normal quartz watch, and it has a water resistance of only 50 meters. So we'll see the backside of this case after this. So Watchabouts have started giving their watches in their own branded box, which is a nice touch. This Instagram page has some rare watches, so I feel if you are looking for some rare pieces which you cannot find anywhere else, I think this is the page to go. So let's see the back case. Okay, so you must be wondering that the back case of this watch doesn't really have much, but this is not the real back case. This is a compass. So to access the back case, you have to go like this. Okay, that is open up this watch, and then here is the back case. Okay, so what it says is it's steel case, stainless steel case and back. All right, and it has this Airtimer branding, and the water resistance is 50 meters. So pretty much that's it. I mean, there is no model number, mention of model number or anything on this watch. Is not really good, but this is a small micro brand, and I don't think they have made many watches. So the strap says genuine leather, but I am planning to change the strap because you see that it is coming, like kind of breaking up a little. So I think I would need to change the strap sooner or later. But I actually like this. So since it's genuine leather and it's an old stock, so this leather is it tend to come off on keeping idle. So that's what happened with this. And there is one more issue, like the alignment is not perfectly aligned to the 12 o'clock position. But yeah, so there is one tiny feature that I missed in this watch, which is, okay, it's not easy to do this because, okay, this is a rotating bezel, but when I rotate, it sometimes tries to flip. So this is tricky when you do it. So doing this way, I can also try to align it in a better way. Like I said that there is a misalignment, so let's try to align it, and maybe one more tick. And so this is aligned now. The dial is slightly misaligned, right? So yeah, this is one feature that is there. Here's an outdoorish wrist roll of this watch. As you can see, this is a very unique piece, and I really like the fit, how it fits on the wrist. There is one small issue though, when you're outdoor and when you do this, it kind of, if you jerk, it comes off. But that could be used as a style statement also, maybe like Rajnikant style, I do this and see the compass. Maybe that could be used as a feature, but sometimes might take you by surprise. So overall, I like collecting unique pieces, and this watch is going to be one of them. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.